सबको सिर्फ एक ही चीज चाहिए, हम लोगों से हिट सॉन्ग।
A song you wish didn't exist.
इसके बाद मुझे को कुछ और नौकरी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी शायद।
कि वहाँ नीचे आधे पंटर तो मेरे ही खड़े होते ना।
मुझसे एक बंदे ने मेरा कॉलर पकड़ लिया।
You're watching Fever Soundbox. Where was Supriya? And this episode had started just the way I wanted it to start, with laughs, with joy, and Amit and Astha with us. Welcome to Fever Soundbox.
Thank you.
थैंक यू मैम।
एक तो बहुत मजा आया. You know, right from the beginning of the process of Breakout Star, it has been phenomenal sitting together and watching these auditions and actually, you know, zeroing it down to 5 artists who among them, unse ek banega the Breakout Star, right? It's going to be amazing. But kuch सवाल यार हमारे मन में भी, हमारे viewers, हमारे listeners के मन में भी है, which we wanted to throw at you guys and get to know you guys better. You know, you gave India some of the most beautiful songs. Endless party tracks, some very soulful numbers which we can't get over. An album like Dave D. You know, now as you hunt for the first breakout star, what's the one trait you think that a budding artist definitely should have?
One trait I feel, I think uniqueness. थोड़ा मतलब they should be unique in their own way.
What about you?
Yeah, like to take it ahead from being unique, just to have your own voice, have your own identity.
हमने इस बारे में बात भी की है that there is this whole thing where people are trying to sound like certain artists, है ना? And that somewhere you feel becomes a drawback.
Yeah, वो तो AI कर रहा है आजकल.
I don't know why people. It's a conditioning, I guess. It's been a conditioning. It's been a mindset for years together. Probably changing now. It's changing. I see in the past few years people emerging on their own and wanting to do that. But it's
I need to know, Amit, let's start with you for this one. आपका breakout star moment. Let's take you back to that.
ऐसा कुछ ना स्टार हो जाता ना ब्रेकआउट हो जाता उस वक्त सिर्फ अपना I was just going along doing my job.
Yeah.
I was being myself and I was just doing my job. अपना काम कर रहा था. वो काम करते 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 कब अनुराग सर मिले, कब उनके साथ बातचीत हुई, कब और नॉर्मल काम करते करते वो भी काम जैसे नॉर्मली काम करता हूँ रोज सुबह उठ के नहा धो लिया, नाश्ता कर लिया, बाकी सब कर लिया और काम पे लग गए. It's that kind of a daily thing which turned out to be later for the world to be as a breakout or a star for the world. But for me, it was a regular job which I'm still doing. It's been 16, 17 years. I'm still doing the same thing.
You can't still process it? Are you saying that?
No. जब मैं बना रहा था, when I was working on
हाँ.
Dev, मुझे तो लग रहा था कि this ये क्या कर रहा हूँ मैं? This could be my first and the last film. इसके बाद मुझे को कुछ और नौकरी ढूंढनी पड़ेगी शायद. मुझे कोई बुलाएगा ही नहीं. मुझे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ? I was doing my own thing, but I didn't know that I was being myself. I had my own way of looking at music, the way of looking at my. It was my voice.
Yeah.
Which तभी उस चीज का कोई इतना वैल्यू था नहीं probably. अभी है, अभी बहुत strong है. तभी नहीं था. मुझे लगा nobody will understand this. I'll be probably हो जाएगा ये एक आध दो करके. But then I was proved wrong. But then it marked my thought कि भाई it's necessary to have your own personality.
Because the industry can demand many things, है ना? लेकिन as an artist.
Industry demands only one thing, hit song. और कुछ नहीं आता. तुम ऐड कर लो जॉब, प्रोड्यूसर के पास जाओ, लेबल के पास जाओ, दुनिया के किसी भी स्टार के पास जाओ, कुछ भी जाओ, सबको सिर्फ एक ही चीज चाहिए, हम लोगों से हिट सॉन्ग. और कुछ नहीं, और कोई डिमांड नहीं होता.
So literally it's like अमित जी एक हिट सॉन्ग दे दीजिए.
अमित जी नहीं, कोई भी जितने भी कंपोजर और आर्टिस्ट जी है.
We were just discussing this actually.
एक ही ब्रीफ है वर्ल्ड में.
कभी आपने पूछा नहीं what's the definition of hit
Nobody
song?
knows. That nobody knows and nobody will for the next 5,000 years will know.
You didn't know Dave D would be a hit.
No, that's what I'm saying.
And that album was like a clutter-breaking album.
See, you can have an instinct. You can have a gut feeling. You can have a strong feeling that this product looks great.
Yeah.
But what will do outside to the mass majority of the population, that is not in nobody's control. Nobody can gauge that. It's impossible.
What is your answer when somebody says एक hit song दे दो?
मैं सच्ची बताऊँ, आज से 6 महीने पहले मुझे पूछते तो मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज थी. बट अभी मैं सर से भी ये डिस्कस कर रही थी दैट फाइनली आई हैव कम आउट ऑफ दिस बबल ऑफ मेकिंग हिट सॉन्ग्स. बिकॉज उससे क्या होता है ना कि आप एज एन आर्टिस्ट या एज अ क्रिएटर आप बहुत रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर लेते हो अपने आप को.
True.
एंड देन यू कांट डू व्हाट यू लव.
ये एक
हाँ
बॉक्स के अंदर
फंस जाते हो।
वो लोग बोलते हैं कि बॉक्स के अंदर रह के आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स सोचो।
हिट बनाना, हिट बनाना, हिट बनाना, हिट बनाना, क्या कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं हिट का।
There's a saying, no, that we've been thinking so much out of the box that the box feels lonely now.
I know.
Coming back to हमारा ये जो पूरा process रहा है to find the first ever breakout star, you know, हमने एक गाना दिया गुलाबी आंखें, उसी के चलते क्रू ने आज मुझे गुलाबी रंग भी पहना दिया है। But I have to ask this, आस्था, अगर आपका कोई गाना देना होता instead of गुलाबी आंखें, your song, which would be a challenge for the contestants, which song would you give them?
I think Heartless.
Why Heartless though?
वो मेरे लिए भी बहुत अलग गाना था to perform and I think that's why.
Amit sir, you had to challenge them with one of your song instead of Gulabi Aakhe.
Or maybe Savarlu. I think Savarlu would be more challenging.
I think ये करना चाहिए. The contestants, we should make them sing these songs. Now that we have this challenge, they should attempt this on Fever Soundbox. But going on to the next question, is there any particular collaboration that you did, you know, that felt, you know, there was a lot of breakout learning experiences, you know, from that particular collaboration? You learned something new about yourself through that.
Every collaboration is a learning in its जो भी collaboration करी, बादशाह भाई के साथ, रफ्तार भाई के साथ, सुकी के साथ, आकाशा के साथ, जानी भाई के साथ भी काम किए एक दो गानों पे. So I think all these artists are सर बहुत जल्दी आपसे भी बहुत मेरे को सीखना है सर.
नहीं बिल्कुल.
फटाफट पिच कर दे मेरे.
मैं बता रही हूँ, अगर ये होता है, you saw it first on Fever Soundbox. मैं क्रेडिट ले रही हूँ अभी.
सीखा तो सीखा, लेकिन और सीखना पड़ेगा सर. तो क्या लगता है आपको?
So Amit sir, I have to ask you कि कोई एक ऐसा collaboration which was like a again learning experience for you, game changer जैसा लगा आपको?
This is independent scene that she's talking about. वहाँ पे collaborations is a choice and a must thing.
Correct, correct.
But हम जहाँ से आते हैं ना फिल्म में, it's all we are only collaborating. It's like in an album we are working with several singers and all types of singers and all genres, and we're doing several albums throughout in a year. So we keep collaborating with a lot of people. Collaboration is a natural part of the business, that film music that I do as a composer.
बिल्कुल, agree.
As a composer, obviously, since I'm coming from mostly from the Bollywood or say film background,
Yeah.
so the collaborations that I've had with these singers that I have worked with, like I would say, right from Arijit to Shreya to Sunidhi to
Best of the best.
Sukhwinder sir to
Yeah.
Mohit Chauhan to all the these guys were honor and pleasure to work with. Rahat साहब के साथ भी एक दो बार हुआ है. जो भी one of the best singers we have in the country. So I've been blessed and honored to have been be able to work with them time and again repeatedly. Still, if
And like every collaboration is like a brand new learning experience.
with them I'm not learning. With them I'm enjoying the concert.
It's like an experience.
It's an experience. They are on the booth. मेरा गाना सिखा दिया, ये गाना है, अब मैं enjoy करूँगा.
Sir, next time please मुझे भी बुला दीजिए. I want to see the Amit Trivedi process.
हाँ जरूर आइए.
As artists, how do you stay true to yourself with your own process? How do you stay relevant? What is the key to that? Have you figured a loophole somewhere कि नहीं प्रेशर में आगे काम नहीं करना है, something like that?
प्रेशर में आगे तो वैसे ही काम नहीं करना चाहिए.
Actually, because it's art form is it's a beautiful art form. You're supposed to have fun. You're supposed to actually life. We are born to be happy. We are born to have fun, and फिर भी हम लोग stress और pressure के उसमें जूझते रहते हैं. I don't know. Of course, life does throw challenges, but that's what they say.
Yeah.
You are here for a limited period of time. Now, what do you choose?
बिल्कुल.
अर्थ वैसे का वैसे रहेगा. ये बैंड रहा ये जब कुछ आज से 50 साल के बाद सब कुछ ऐसे कैसे रहेगा. हम नहीं रहेंगे. जितना टाइम है हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं हम लोग. Are we going to take stress and take pressure, or let's live happily? Same वही philosophy music में भी है. प्रोड्यूसर तो डालते रहेगा प्रेशर, हिट सॉन्ग.
Correct.
कर भी उसका सिचुएशन के हिसाब से डालते रहेगा. बट देन शुरुआत में लगता था ऐसा, पर अभी मैं सोचना ही छोड़ दिया. If I'm not having fun, I don't want to do it. ऐसा है.
Yeah.
To have fun.
That's true. Like
I'm on the
Astha,
same phase.
Yeah, because you also said that, you know, there was a certain spiral, something you felt, and now you've burst that bubble.
I've come out of it and I'm so happy. मेरे को इतने ज़्यादा every other day I'm in a session with अलग different producers, directors and different lyricists. So it's amazing to see the process and learn so much. And now I've started writing every day. I like try and write. I try to compose. So I'm learning, and it's a beautiful process. I'm enjoying this so badly that I don't want to go back.
Badly, I'm enjoying
So badly, I'm enjoying this.
I don't know why that thing came to my mind. Just because, just because I'm enjoying it. It's like, okay, now on Famous Outbox, we have planned a very fun rapid fire.
This is the worst thing of my life. I hate.
I hate. मेरा तो दिमाग बंद हो जाता है.
One song you wish you had sung.
Woo! बहुत सारे गाने ऐसे यार. It's very difficult to name. Okay, दिल ना जाने.
Ah, Dil Na Jaane is a beautiful one. Amit sir,
That's why I hate rapid fires.
you can say no, none.
No, actually, none. I don't think like.
Fine, absolutely fine. Okay, so favorite place to perform live?
दिल्ली.
I
कि वहाँ नीचे आधे पंटर तो मेरे ही खड़े होते ना. वो अलग पंप देते हैं आज तो.
What about you,
I
sir?
think it will be Pune.
Really?
Pune ka crowd, the energy, the vibe has always. I have done many shows there in Pune since I've been. The best experience I've had with the audience,
In Pune?
followed by Bangalore, then Delhi.
The craziest fan moment you've experienced आज था?
Craziest fan. Oh, सारा इंडिया का शूट था. We were shooting in Chel,
Okay.
शिमला से थोड़ा आगे.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
And this girl who lives in Solan, so Solan is 3 hours from Chel.
Right.
वो अपने डैड को लेके शूट पे पहुंच. उसको पता नहीं कहाँ से पता लगा. I think she texted everyone on the set that day.
Okay.
And she reached there and she got chocolates for me. It was a very cute moment. I was like, वो मेरे को काफी टाइम से DM कर रही थी Instagram पे, so we used to talk.
That is so sweet.
So then she came all the way from Solan to meet me. I found that really cute. I mean, that's one of the most special fan memory that I have. Then once I went to Shimla, I made sure that I texted her on DM, and then I met her in Solan.
Guys, next time से chocolates लाएंगे आज तक के लिए वो repost नहीं करती मेरी stories.
करी तो थी? नहीं करी थी? Shit.
I have proof. I will show. But okay, what about you?
I've had many. I have many special ones, craziest ones, but that one stands out out of the many. There was a gig in Hyderabad, I think. हैदराबाद का वो शो खत्म हुआ और ऑब्वियसली एक मॉब आ गया था
Yeah.
जो भी फोटो खींचने ये करने के लिए. उसमें से एक बंदे ने मेरा कॉलर पकड़ लिया
Oh shit. Oh shit.
और एग्रेशन में गुस्से में आके मुझे लगा ये मैंने क्या किया इसका, मुझे मारेगा क्या करेगा. सर मैं फिल्म मेकर बनूंगा, यू हैव टू डू द म्यूजिक फॉर माय. मैं बता रहा हूँ अभी से, आई एम टेलिंग यू दिस.
No.
यस
This
एंड द कॉप
happened?
द बाउंसर्स के माय मैनेजर थे उस वक्त, वो आए सब लोग और उसको मार उसको थोड़ा
That
धके.
is very scary.
अग्रेशन में एकदम गुस्से में आके, मतलब अग्रेशन में आके, मतलब उतना पैशनेट था वो कि
Yeah.
अपनी फिल्म को लेके कि म्यूजिक मैं ही करूंगा.
अंदाजे बयां थोड़ा गलत हो गया. Otherwise feeling अच्छी थी.
हाँ.
अच्छा ये थोड़ा controversial वाला है. So choose to answer. A song you wish didn't exist. I know what Amit sir is singing, but he won't say it. He will not. They will not say it on camera.
1 2 3 4 Badabadi. But you know the actual song is really good. I love the.
Yeah. The original, lah. Yeah, it's actually
It's
beautiful.
a beautiful song.
Bilkul,
We're
bilkul.
not talking about the original song here, guys.
Okay, the song you're listening to on loop currently.
चेक कर लूं. भूल गई. अंडर प्रेशर दिमाग देखो ऐसे बंद होता है मेरा दिमाग. फटाफट से चेक कर ले. 2 मिनट लगेंगे.
Amit sir.
मैं लूप पे कोई गाना सुनता नहीं हूँ, मैं आगे बढ़ते रहता
तो लास्ट
हूँ. मैं अगले दिन वापस आता हूँ.
ऐसे याद भी नहीं होगा. ऐसे पूछो अगर मैं लास्ट गाना कौन सा सुना था आपने. चलो.
One song name, I'll tell you the artist that I'm listening to right now. Right now, I'm listening to Prophecy and
Okay.
Weekend. Loop.
And
मतलब ये
wow,
पे चल रहा है अभी.
that's
So
amazing.
different vibe है. Yeah, but this is
Okay.
the vibe.
One thing you can't live without on tour.
बहुत चीजें. Phone.
ऐसे हाँ, I mean yeah, no one can live without their phone.
Toothbrush के बिना तो मुश्किल
Guys,
होता
ये
है.
question ही गलत है.
In here.
इन ईयर आया, इन ईयर टूर में
Yeah.
तो वही होगा.
Yeah. Okay. And finally, a hobby you enjoy besides music.
I love cricket.
I love painting.
A hidden talent no one knows about.
Ooh, I am a very good chef.
Really?
Yeah. I cook good. Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
I'm proud
okay.
of it.
Amit sir, what about you?
I don't know if it's I used to be a gymnast earlier, so
You used to be a gymnastic
I was like obsessed with gymnastics.
Wow.
Do that a lot.
and not anymore.
म्यूजिक में आ गया उसके बाद से तो वो थोड़ा सा.
Yeah. Okay. So that has been one talent of yours. Okay, great. This has been fun. Amit, Astha, it has been such a pleasure having you on something we created with so much love, that is Fever Soundbox. Hamari breakout star ki journey also together has been amazing. Thank you so much for being with us. Keep watching Fever Soundbox for more.
Thank you.